Excuse me, sir. Come, sir, come. Come. We're gonna find this place. I'm from Thailand. I am a Thailander. This restaurant is famous in here. Kinini Maikon, Paidot Kadon Indon. Kinini Kay Kungkay. Like bubuyog, bubuyog. B. You know that? Can you take me to this place? No? You speak Tagalog? Tagalog?
Marunong ka din mag-Tagalog?
Ako Tagalog. Asawa ko Pinay. Pinay, asawa Pinay. Ako gutom. Ako kailangan kain.
Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
This restaurant serving different kind of chicken recipe like chicken wings. You know the song of chicken wings? Chicken wings, tata macaroni. Sir, please help me, sir. I'm hungry. Sir, wait there, wait. Wait, sir. Wait. I'm sorry for you're wasting your time. We're just making a YouTube video. You know YouTube? Sir, this is for you. Sir. No? Ikaw hindi tanggap pera. Thank you, sir. Bye. Kininikay, kungkay, kinini Maikon, Paidot Kadon.
No.
Can you take me this place, to this place? I'm from Thailand. I'm new here.
Wait.
No, wait. I'm new here. Then I find this place. I want to eat. I'm hungry now.
Yeah.
I'm hungry now. This restaurant serving delicious food like chicken wings.
Oh, yeah.
Chicken wings. I want to eat some delicious recipe of chicken.
It is Bubuyog restaurant. Where are you now?
Bubuyog restaurant like bubuyog. Can you take me to this place? This restaurant is famous
Oh.
in here, Santo Tomas.
Oh.
Do you know?
Wala ko kabaluan eh. Asa dapit?
What? I don't understand Bisaya.
A few moments later.
Come. Bubuyog like B. You know that? I want to eat. I'm hungry now. I want to eat chicken wings.
You eat now?
Yes. If I'm hungry now, can I eat you?
Oh no.
I can eat you. Like Chupapi Munyanyo.
Ha?
Do you know Chupapi Munyanyo? No? Okay. Thank you very much. Excuse me, sir. Can I ask for something? Can I ask for something? Can I ask for something? I'm gonna find this place. We're gonna find this place. You don't know? You speak Tagalog. You speak Tagalog? Ako hanap ito. Ako hanap ito. I'm from Thailand. Do you know what is that country? Thailand. Ako hanap ito.
Restaurant.
Oo. Ito ako kain.
Bahala ka sa buhay
Kain
mo.
manok. Kininikay kung kay kininimay kon paidot kadon inlon. I'm sorry. My bad. Ikaw kain dito.
Uyok.
Yes. Ikaw kain dito.
Restaurant.
Yes.
Uyok restaurant.
Ikaw kain na dito?
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
No.
Are you sure? This restaurant is famous in here, Santo Tomas. This restaurant serving
Sa highway.
I don't know. Downtown.
Downtown.
Yes. You don't know? Ay, I'm hungry. Ako gutom. Kailangan kain. Kailangan kain ako. Where I go?
Antay kwartaan eh, kayo pa'y pasahero.
What did you say?
Wala pang pasahero.
Pasahero, passenger.
Wala pang pasahero.
So, take me to this place. Ako dala mo ito restaurant.
Bubuyog restaurant.
Yes. You don't know Bubuyog restaurant? Bubuyog like
No.
this restaurant serving different kind of chicken recipe like chicken wings. Do you know chicken wings song? Chicken wings, tata macaroni. You know that? No. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your kindness. You want a kiss?
Ayaw kayo.
No, corona. So, thank you for your patient.
Gusto mo na?
Ikaw tanggap pira. Ikaw bait. Thank you. We're just making a YouTube video. The cameraman right there. Please wave like this. Hey, excuse me, can I ask for something? We're gonna find this place. I'm new here.
You're new here?
Sorry if I bothered you. Yeah, you go. I'm new here. We're gonna find this place.
But I don't know.
You don't know? This restaurant is famous in here, Santo Tomas. Oh shit. Sorry. This restaurant serving different kind of chicken recipe. Like bubuyog. I'm from Thailand. My wife is Filipina. My wife is Filipina.
You look like a Filipino.
What?
You look like a Filipino.
Yeah, because I am ASEAN. Thailand, Philippines, ASEAN.
Are you joking?
Yeah, I'm okay. So we're gonna find this place. Bubuyog restaurant.
Sige, let's ask. Are you sure?
Yeah. Whew. I'm hungry. We're just making a YouTube video. The cameraman right there. Inside the sidecar. Kaway ma'am, kaway. Kaway ma'am, tanda, sige ka pula. Salamat ma'am, salamat. Yo, mga ka-dwarf, salamat sa sa palaging pagsubaybay ng aming munting channel at sa mga bago pa lang napadpa dito sa aming munting channel ay huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at pakiclick na rin ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated kung may bagong mga upload na video. So ngayon mag-shoutout tayo ng mga viewers natin na nagpa-shoutout. Unang-una kay Boy Tike, GR Kamba, kapitbahay namin yan, Rico Zone TV. So pakibisita naman sa channel nito ni Rico Zone TV. Isa ko siyang kaibigan na OFW sa Riyadh, Saudi. So yun lang. See you sa next video. Peace.